Hi, can I get a large iced latte?
Of course. Would you like it sweetened or unsweetened?
Just a little sweet, please.
No problem. And what kind of milk would you like?
Do you guys have oat milk?
I'm so sorry. We just ran out about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, that's too bad. What else do you have?
We have almond milk and soy milk.
Which one tastes better with coffee?
Most people prefer almond milk for iced drinks.
Okay, let's do almond milk then.
Do you want whipped cream on top?
No, thank you. Just the coffee.
Got it. Anything else for you today?
What pastries do you have?
We have croissants, muffins, and banana bread.
Oh, banana bread sounds good. Is it fresh?
Yes, it came in this morning.
Perfect. I'll take one slice then.
Great. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please. Warm would be nice.
No problem. Anything to drink with your coffee?
Maybe just a bottle of water.
Sure thing. We have still or sparkling.
I'll take the still water.
Got it. So that's one large iced latte with almond milk, one banana bread, and one bottle of water.
That's right.
Would you like to pay with card or cash?
I'll pay by card.
You can tap right there on the screen.
Okay, it's done.
We'll have everything ready in just a minute.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, your drink will be on the counter soon.
I'll wait right here.
No problem. Enjoy your coffee and your day.
Thanks, you too.
Excuse me, is this washing machine available?
Yes, I just finished.
Do I need to wait a bit?
No, it's all yours now.
I'm new here. How much does it cost?
It's $2.50 for one wash.
And it only takes quarters, right?
Yes, quarters only.
Where can I get some change?
There's a change machine over there by the door.
Oh, I see it now. Does it take bills?
Yes, it takes $1 and $5 bills.
Perfect. Do I need to bring my own detergent?
Yes, but you can also buy small boxes here.
Where can I buy it?
The vending machine is next to the dryers.
I brought my own detergent.
Great, that saves you some money.
Where do I pour it in?
In the top drawer under the detergent label.
Got it. How long does one wash take?
About 30 minutes, sometimes a bit less.
Do I need to stay here while it runs?
No, you can leave, but don't forget to come back on time.
Will it beep when it's done?
Yes, it makes a loud beep at the end.
That's good. Are the dryers easy to use too?
Very easy, just put in clothes and press start.
How much does drying cost?
It's $2 per cycle.
How long does it take?
Around 40 minutes, depending on the load.
Thanks for explaining everything.
No problem at all. Everyone's new at first.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription for Sarah Jones.
Jones. Let me just check the system.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I see her name here.
Great. Is the prescription ready?
It looks like the doctor sent it over today.
Oh, I see. So it's not ready yet?
Not yet, sorry. We haven't filled it.
Oh, I thought it would be ready by now.
We're a little backed up today.
That's all right. How long do you think it'll take?
It should be ready in about 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, that's not too bad.
If you'd like, I can text you when it's ready.
Oh, that's nice. How do I sign up for that?
Just give me your phone number and I'll add it.
Sure, it's 555-2398.
Got it. I'll send you a message when it's done.
Thank you so much. I'll wait around for a bit.
No problem. There's a coffee shop next door if you like.
That sounds nice. I might grab a drink.
It'll make the wait easier.
By the way, do I need to bring anything when I come back?
Just your ID and we'll take care of the rest.
Okay, and can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Perfect. And do you know how much it'll be?
It shows $12 after insurance.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for now.
All right. Come back in about half an hour.
I will. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. See you soon.
Hello, sir. Thank you for calling the Harbor Grill.
Hi, I was hoping to make a reservation for 2 for this Saturday.
Sure, no problem. What time were you thinking?
Around 7:30 p.m. if that's possible.
Let me check that for you.
Sure, take your time.
Looks like 7:30 is fully booked.
Oh, really? That's a popular time, huh?
Yes, Saturday nights fill up quickly.
I see. Is there anything available a bit later?
We have one table left at 8:45 p.m.
That's kind of late for us.
Or if you don't mind coming earlier, we have one at 6 p.m.
Oh, 6 might actually work.
Great, so a table for 2 at 6 p.m.?
Yes, that's right.
Can I get your name for the booking?
It's under Davis.
Got it, Mr. Davis.
Do you need my phone number too?
Yes, please, just in case we need to reach you.
Sure, it's 555-7612.
Would you like indoor or outdoor seating?
What's the weather supposed to be like?
It should be nice, clear, and warm.
Great, then outdoor would be lovely.
Our patio has a great ocean view.
Oh, lovely. Sounds perfect.
Do you have any special requests?
Maybe just a quiet corner if possible.
Absolutely. I'll note that for you.
Thank you. By the way, do you serve seafood?
Yes, that's our specialty. We're famous for grilled salmon and shrimp pasta.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
You'll love it.
I'm sure I will.
So, to confirm, table for 2 Saturday at 6 p.m. outdoors under Davis.
Yes, that's correct.
We look forward to seeing you then.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a great evening.
You too. See you Saturday.
Hi, can I get $20 on pump 3?
Sure, just a moment. There's a car ahead of you.
Oh, no problem. I can wait.
It shouldn't take long, maybe a couple of minutes.
Great. I'm not in a hurry.
All right, so $20 on pump 3 once it's free.
I'll pay with cash.
No problem. Do you have exact change?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. I'll set the pump for you now.
Okay, can I start pumping now?
Go ahead now.
Perfect.
Be careful, it's a bit windy today.
Thanks for the reminder. I'll hold the nozzle tight.
What kind of gas are you using?
Regular, please?
Got it. It'll stop automatically when it's full.
Great, that makes it easy.
Yes, most pumps do that now.
Okay, I'm done. How do I get the receipt?
Did it print out at the pump?
No, nothing came out.
That happens sometimes. I can print it here for you.
That would be great.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks for your help.
No problem at all. Have a safe drive.
Thanks. You too.
Hi there. See anything you like?
Hi, I'm looking for a houseplant.
You want something easy to take care of, right?
Exactly. Something that won't die easily.
Got it. Snake plants are perfect for that.
Snake plant. Oh, these tall ones here?
Yes, those ones. They don't need much water or light.
That sounds like my kind of plant.
Or if you want something a bit greener, try a money tree.
Oh, that one looks nice too. Is it easy to care for?
Yes, very easy. Just water it once a week.
I like both. Which one lasts longer?
The snake plant usually lasts longer, even if you forget to water it.
That's perfect for me. I'll take this one.
Would you like a pot for it? We have ceramic and plastic ones.
Sure, the ceramic one looks nicer.
It matches the plant nicely.
Oh, do you also sell flowers here?
Yes, we do. Fresh flowers are right over there.
I see them. Do you have roses?
Yes, red, white, and pink. Which one would you like?
I'll take a small bouquet of pink roses.
Would you like it wrapped?
Yes, please. Something simple but nice.
No problem. I'll wrap it with brown paper and a ribbon.
That sounds perfect.
I'll ring that up for you at the counter.
Thank you for all your help.
My pleasure. Hope your plants and flowers bring you joy.
I'm sure they will. Have a great day.